Hi, today I'm going to show you how to access your Oliver account to see what resources you have borrowed or that are overdue from the library. So we're going to go to kickslearns.kicks.sd. Under Kicks Online Students, go to Oliver Library, and then you should click Login. Now, all teachers have 3 accounts. One is for your UOI resources, the other is for your classroom account, and the third is your personal or individual account. So I will show you how to log in to each one. So the first one I'm going to show you is how to log into your UOI account. So we're going to use year 4A as an example. Type in year 4. One, two, three, four, five, 6 is the password for all accounts, and click Login. Once you've done that, you'll see that there's a guided tour that you can choose to take if you like, or you can just opt out by clicking Close on the bottom right-hand corner. And then we're going to go to My Account. Now, under My Account, there's several places that you can go to. The first thing that I suggest that you do is go to My Details. And then you may want to change your password. So the current password would be 1234556, and then you can put in another password and then click Save when you're finished. The second thing I want to show you is how to check what books or other resources you have checked out from the library. So you're going to go to Loans. And on the left-hand side, you see a few options here. This is going to show you first the current loans that you have on your account. And then you can select the overdue loans. So these are the overdue items on your account. And as I'm using year 4 as an example, these are the resources that they have checked out on their account that are currently overdue. And that would need to come back to the library. If you want to see when the books need to come back, you just click on one of the books and you can see the due date was April 17th and the date loaned was January 27th. So these were the books that were checked out under the UOI account, so the Unit of Inquiry account. So we can log out of this now, and you would need to then check your classroom account. So we're going to use year 4A as an example, and all you need to type in here would be 4A and then 123456 and click Login. And again, it will give you the option to do a guided tour if you like. You can opt out by clicking Close on the bottom right-hand corner. You're going to go to My Account. I suggest again that you change your password and go to Loans. And you can see what resources you have checked out here, the current loans, when they would be due. So these are the atlases that would be due next at the end of next school year. And then you have 2 overdue resources here. And when you finish doing that, you return these books to the library, you can click Log Out. The third account that teachers have would be their individual accounts. So I'm going to use My Account as an example. So I'm going to type in my username, which is in all common letters, and 123456 again, and click Login. I'm going to go to my name and check what resources I have. I have no overdue loans. So, and you can also check your loan history if you like and see what books you have borrowed in the past. So that's just a simple tutorial on how you can check your accounts to see what resources you need to bring back to the library.